Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We are bringing you a weekly good news immigration update. We actually have some positive shifts happening that you need to know about. 1. NTA and ICE update. There's a noticeable decrease in NTAs being issued, meaning fewer notices to appear in immigration court removal proceedings. Alongside that, ICE presence in several cities is also decreasing. This could signal that we are moving past a more aggressive enforcement chapter in immigration law, which is encouraging news for many communities. Section 2, Bond and Detention. We also have updates on bond eligibility and mandatory detention. In many cases today, individuals are being held under mandatory detention without bond options. This issue is actively being challenged in courts across the United States, and outcomes are starting to diverge depending on jurisdiction. 3. Court ruling split. A major Second Circuit decision from New York has ruled that mandatory detention policies are unconstitutional and unlawful. However, other circuits like the Fifth Circuit in Louisiana and the Eighth Circuit in Missouri have upheld the policy. Meanwhile, district courts show overwhelming disagreement, with over 420 finding it unlawful compared to 47 supporting it. This clear split is pushing the issue toward the Supreme Court of the United States. 4. Supreme Court path. Because federal circuits are now divided, this matter is likely heading to SCOTUS for a final nationwide ruling. This would determine the future of mandatory detention policy once and for all. 5. Naturalization. We are also looking for plaintiffs. Some applicants have been waiting for months, especially those impacted by country-based pauses. Even people removed from swearing-in ceremonies or pulled out last minute may qualify for legal action. Class action litigation is being prepared to challenge these delays as discriminatory and unlawful. 6. Legal action. Mandamus lawsuits are being used to force government agencies to adjudicate delayed cases. Overall, while delays and uncertainty remain, there are real legal challenges moving forward and some positive enforcement trends. Stay informed and keep tracking updates each week. If you're currently in immigration proceedings or you know someone affected, it is important to stay updated because these legal changes can directly impact your case outcome. The coming Supreme Court decision could reshape detention rules nationwide and affect thousands of ongoing cases across the country. Meanwhile, attorneys continue pushing for faster processing and fair treatment through federal lawsuits and emergency filings. South Appeals Court rejects Trump immigration detention policy. In a major legal setback, a South Appeals Court has struck down the Trump administration's policy of mandatory detention for immigrants. The court ruled that officials misinterpreted decades-old immigration law by forcing most detained migrants to remain in custody without bond hearings, violating due process rights. The judges stated that the policy would cause mass incarceration, family separation, and severe strain on detention centers. They emphasized that individuals, including long-term U.S. residents, must have the right to request release while their cases are reviewed. The decision directly challenges aggressive immigration enforcement and creates a split with other courts that had supported detention without bond. This legal divide now increases the chance that the issue will be reviewed by the South Supreme Court. Immigration advocates welcome the ruling as a protection of constitutional rights, while the government argues the policy is necessary for border control. Okay, that's for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.